Hey guys, this is Gabriel from MarineMax in St. Pete, and today we are on the all-new 2018 230 Vantage from Boston Whaler, the ultimate fishing slash family boat. As you see, this one has the fiberglass hardtop on it, also has your Mercury smart gauges on it, and enough room for a Raymarine, Simrad, whatever of your choosing. You can paint that picture for you. Here you also have a versatile seating arrangement. You can have an aft-facing seat, a forward-facing seat, and then also turn it into almost a full bed. You also have your live well under that as well. Pull out bench seat from the back. It's a big seat, almost like a Cadillac bench seat. As you see, you have the white 300 Verado. Great, keeps the engine cool, a lot cooler than the black cowlings. You also have a freshwater shower coming in through the back side there. Nice Corian countertop here. Pull out sprayer. You have a sink as well. Look at the spacious bow area in this boat. Go up and take a look. It's really remarkable for a boat of this size. Fit a lot of passengers, a lot of family members up there. Best seat in the house for sure. And also over here on the port side, you have your head. So if you have any questions about this boat, give us a call over here at MarineMax in St. Pete. Again, my name is Gabriel. Number is 863-370-1708. Look forward to hearing from you.